Hello, my dear students. A very warm welcome to all of you in Shri Jayendra Rank Zone. I am your friend and mentor for the subject Business and Commercial Knowledge. In this lecture, we'll continue with Business Chapter 3, that is Business Organization, and in particular, we'll continue with multiple choice questions. This is lecture number 16. So let us begin. American Express. Question 223. Question 223. American Express was started in dash in New York. American Express was started in dash in New York. A. 1850, B. 1872, C. 1880, D. 1892. It's A. 1850. It's A. 1850. Next question. Question 224. What was the initial business of American Express? What was the initial business of American Express? A. Express mail services. B. Financial advisor. C. Publishing. Or D. Individual banking. It's A. Express mail services. It's A. Express mail services. Next question, 225. The vision of Dash is to be a leading provider of payment solution worldwide. A. Deutsche Bank. B. Financial Express. C. American Express. Or D. Global Trust Bank. It's C. American Express. Next, 226. American Express was founded as a joint stock corporation by merger of first Wells and Company, second Livingstone Fargo and Company, third Wells Butterfield and Company. A options are A 1 and 2, B 1 and 3, C 2 and 2, 2 and 3, and D 1, 2 and 3. It's D 1, 2 and 3. It's D 1, 2 and 3. Next question, question 227. In which city of US the headquarters of American Express is situated? In which city of US the headquarters of American Express is situated? A. New York. B. Los Angeles. C. Chicago. D. San Francisco. It's A. New York. It's A. New York. Next question 228. Question 228. American Express is the parent organization of Dash. American Express is the parent organization of Dash. A. American Express Travel Related Services. B. American Express Bank Limited. C. American Express Financial Advisors. Or D. All of the above. It's D. All of the above. It's D. All of the above. Question 229. Which of the following company handles accounting and financial processes for American Express business around the world? Which of the following company handles accounting financial processes for American business around the world? A. American Express India Private Limited. B. American Express Private Limited. C. American Express Global Limited. Or D. American Express Global Incorporation. It's A. 229. It's A, that is American Express India Private Limited. It's A. American Express India Private Limited. Next question. Question 230. Nestle. Nestle. The headquarters of Nestle is in A. Vevey, Switzerland. It's B. Basel, Switzerland. It's C. Zurich, Switzerland. Or it's D. Interlaken, Switzerland. It's A. Vevey, Switzerland. It's A. Vevey, Switzerland. The headquarters of Nestle is in Vevey, Switzerland. Next question, 231. Good food, good life is a tagline of A. Walmart, B. Cipla, C. LG, D. Nestle. Good food, good life is a tagline of D. Nestle. It's D. Nestle. Next question, 232. Nestle is a beverage partner with which of the following companies? Nestle is a beverage partner with which of the following companies? A. Coca-Cola India. B. PepsiCo India Holdings Private Limited. C. Red Bull India Private Limited. Or D. Dabur India Limited. It's A. Coca-Cola India. It's A. Coca-Cola India. Next question, 233. Nestle was founded in Dash. Nestle was founded in which year? A. 1850. B. 1861. C. 1866. Or D. 1871. It's C. 1866. It's C. 1866. Next question, 234. Nestle was founded by a Swiss confectioner Dash. Nestle was founded by a Swiss confectioner dash. A. Henry Nestle. B. Charles Nestle. C. George Nestle. Or D. Roger Nestle. It's A. Henry Nestle. It's A. Henry Nestle. Next question, 235. Nestle came to India in which year? Nestle came to India in which year? A. 1907, 1907. B. 1911. C. 1923. Or D. 1935. It's C. 1923. It's C. 1923. Next question, 236. Which of the following is not the product of Nestle? Which of the following is not the product of Nestle? A. Bingo. B. Kit Kat. C. Milkmaid. D. Carnation. It's A. Bingo. Bingo is the product of ITC. Bingo is the product of ITC and not Nestle. Next question, 237. Question 237. Which of the following is the Nestle skin health product? Which of the following is the Nestle's skin health product? A. Cetaphil lotion. B. Emarvel. C. Mirvazo. Or D. All of the above. It's D. All of the above. It's D. All of the above. Next question, 238. The mission of which transactional company is Good Food, Good Life? A. Tata Group. B. Reliance Fresh. C. Nestle. D. Starbucks. It's C. Nestle. The mission of which transnational company is Good Food, Good Life? It's C. Nestle. Next question, 239. Nestle is a transnational food and drink company. Nestle is a dash transnational food and drink company. A. American. B. British. C. Indian. D. Swiss. It's D. Swiss. It's D. Swiss. Transnational. Transnational. Nestle is a Swiss transnational food and drink company. Next question, 240. Nestle has a huge workforce of dash people across the world. Nestle has a huge workforce of dash people across the world. A. 1,50,000. B. 2,25,000. C. 3,07,000. Or D. 3,23,000. It's D. 3,23,000. It's D. 3,23,000. Next question, 241. Nestle has been the dash company in the world. A. Largest company in the world. Largest food company in the world. B. Second largest food company in the world. C. Third largest food company in the world. Or D. Eighth largest food company in the world. It's A. Largest food company in the world. It's A. Largest food company in the world. Next, Microsoft Corporation. Microsoft Corporation. Question 242. Who is the present CEO of Microsoft Corporation? A. Satya Nadella. B. Amy Hood. C. Brian M. Carnage. Or D. Tim Cook. It's A. Mr. Satya Nadella. It's A. Mr. Satya Nadella. Next, question 243. Next question 243. Which company ranked second on Forbes World Best Employer List 2018? A. American Express. B. Walmart. C. Microsoft. Or D. Larsen and Toubro. It's C. Microsoft. It's C. Microsoft. Next question 244. When did Microsoft begin its business in India? When did Microsoft begin its business in India? A. 1990. B. 1991. C. 1995. Or D. 1989. It's A. 1990. It's A. 1990. Next question 245. Question 245. Microsoft was founded by dash A. Bill Gates. B. Paul Allen. C. Both A and B, that is Bill Gates and Paul Allen. Or D. Bill Gates and Satya Nadella. It's C. Bill Gates and Paul Allen both. Both A and B. 245C, both A and B. Next question 246. Who was the founder CEO of Microsoft? Who was the founder CEO of Microsoft? A. Bill Gates. B. Paul Allen. C. Satya Nadella. Or D. John Thompson. It's A. Bill Gates. It's A. Bill Gates. Next, 247. Next question, 247. What is the current chairman of Microsoft Corporation? What is the current chairman of Microsoft Corporation? A. Bill Gates. B. Paul Allen. C. Satya Nadella. Or D. John Thompson. It's D. John Thompson. It's D. John Thompson. Next question, 248. Which of the following is not the software product of Microsoft Corporation? Which of the following is not the software product of Microsoft Corporation? A. Internet Explorer. B. Chrome. C. Edge web browser. D. Office Suite. D. Office Suite. It's B. Chrome. It's B. Chrome. Chrome is a Google product. Chrome is a Google product. Google web browser. Next question 249. Next question 249. What is the mission of Microsoft Corporation? What is the mission of Microsoft Corporation? A. To empower every person and every organization on the plan to achievement. B. To lead in invention and information technology. C. To become global king in operating system. Or D. To retain international presence and dominating position in software industry. It's A. To empower every person and every organization on the plan to achievement. Next 250. Next question 250. In 2014, Microsoft acquired the mobile hardware division of Dash. In 2014, the Microsoft acquired the mobile hardware division of Dash. A. Nokia. B. Samsung. C. Ericsson. D. Apple. It's A. Nokia. It's A. Nokia. Next, IBM Corporation. Next is IBM Corporation. Question 251. Question 251. IBM is Dash multinational technology company. IBM is Dash multinational technology company. A. American. B. British. C. Swiss. D. Japanese. It's A. American. It's A. American. Next question 252. IBM was incorporated in the year. IBM was incorporated in the year dash. A. 1850. A. 1850. B. 1901. C. 1911. Or D. 1915. IBM was incorporated in which year? It's C. 1911. It's C. 1911. Next question 253. Ginni Rometty is the dash of IBM Corporation. Ginni Rometty is the dash of IBM Corporation. A. Chairman. B. President. C. CEO. Or D. All of the above. Ginni Rometty is the dash of IBM Corporation. All of the above. D. All of the above. She is the chairman, president and CEO. She is the chairman, president and CEO. Next. 254. Question 254. IBM is the abbreviation of dash. IBM is the abbreviation of dash. A. International Business Machine. B. International Business Model. C. International Broadcast Machine. Or D. Integrated Business Machine. It's A. International Business Machine. It's A. International Business Machine. Next question 255. Question 255. Which of the following is the Indian subsidiary of IBM? Which of the following is the Indian subsidiary of IBM? A. IBM India Limited. B. IBM India Private Limited. C. IBM Corporation India Limited. Or D. None of these. It's B. IBM India Private Limited. It's B. IBM India Private Limited is the Indian subsidiary of IBM. Next, 256. Question 256. The managing director of Indian subsidiary of IBM is The managing director of Indian subsidiary of IBM is A. Mr. James Kavanagh. B. Vanitha Narayanan. C. Henry Roger. Or D. None of these. It's B. Vanitha Narayanan. It's B. Vanitha Narayanan. Next question. Question 257. Question 257. IBM entered India in dash with Tata joint ventures. IBM entered India in dash with Tata joint ventures. A. 1975. B. 1981. C. 1992. Or D. 1995. It's C. 1992. It's C. 1992. Next question 258. Next question 258. IBM was originated in A. 1911. IBM was originated in A. 1911. B. 1924. C. 1935. Or D. 1942. IBM was originated in It's 1911. It's A. 1911. Next question 259. In 2009, IBM acquired dash. In 2009, IBM acquired dash. A. Sanofi Technologies. B. Ravi Technologies. C. Lombardi. Or D. None of these. It's C. Lombardy. It's C. Lombardy. Next question 260. The services segment of IBM are The services segment of IBM are A. Technology services, B. Business consulting and industry expertise, C. Franchising and training and skills, D. All of the above. The services segment of IBM. D. All of the above. D. All of the above. Technology services, business consulting and industry expertise, financing, and training and skills. Next question 261. The product segment of IBM are A. Analytics, Cloud and Cognitive, B. Commerce, Internet of Things and Industry Solutions, C. Mobile Security and Social, and D. All of the above. And D. All of the above. It's D. All of the above. It's D. All of the above. Next question, question 262. IBM was originated in 1911 as A. Computing, tabulating and recording company, B. Computing business machines, C. Coded tabulating company, or international, or D. International business model company. It's IBM was originated in 1911 as a computing, tabulating, recording company. Computing, tabulating, recording company. Next question 263. 263. CTR was named as International Business Machine in dash. CTR was named as International Business Machines in dash. A. 1911, B. 1920, C. 1924, or D. 1934. It's 1924. 1924. Next question based on Intel Corporation. Intel Corporation. Question 264. Question 264. What is Intel's rank in the Fortune 500 companies list 2018? What is Intel's rank in the Fortune 500 companies list 2018? A. 48th, B. 46, C. 45, or D. 38. It's B. 46th. It's B. 46th. Next 265. Next question 265. Intel core values are A. Customer orientation, discipline, risk taking, B. Hard work, passion, great place to work, C. Quality, quantity, and discipline, or D. None of these. It's A. Customer orientation, discipline, and risk taking. Customer orientation, discipline, and risk taking. Next question 266. Intel Corporation is dash multinational corporation and technology company. Intel Corporation is dash multinational corporation and technology company. A. American, B. British, C. Swiss, D. Japanese. It's A. American. It's A. American. Next question 267. The headquarters of Intel Corporation is in A. California, B. New York, C. Los Angeles, or D. Chicago. It's A. California. The headquarters of Intel Corporation is in California. A. 267A, California. Next question 268. Intel Corporation was founded by A. Robert Noyce, B. Gordon Moore, C. Andrew Grove, or D. all of these. It's D. all of these. It's D. all of these. Next question 269. The Intel's name was conceived from the words A. Integrated and Electronics, B. Integrated and Information, C. Intelligent Group, or D. none of these. It's A. Integrated and Electronics. It's A. Integrated and Electronics. Next question based on HP, Hewlett Packard. Question 270. The headquarters of HP Incorporation is in dash. The headquarters of HP Incorporation is in dash. A. California, B. New York, C. Alaska, D. Los Angeles. It's A. California. It's A. California. Next question 271. HP Incorporation was founded in which year? HP Incorporation was founded in which year? A. 1921, B. 1928, C. 1939, or D. 1945. It's C. 1939. It's C. 1939. Next question 272. HP Incorporation was founded by A. William Bill Rington Hewlett, A. William Bill Riddington Hewlett, B. David Dave Packard, C. both A and B, or D. none of these. It's C. both A and B. Both A and B. Next question 273. Hewlett Packard is dash multinational informational technology company. A. American, B. British, C. Swiss, D. Japanese. It's A. American. HP is headquartered in US. Next question 274. HP Incorporation initially produced HP Incorporation initially produced A. Electronic test equipments, B. Leather shoes, C. Inkjet printers, and D. Software for travel agencies. It's A. Electronic test equipments. HP Incorporation initially produced electronic test equipments. Next question based on Apple. Question 275. Which IT company acquired Beats Electronics in 2014? It's A. Microsoft Corporation. It's B. Apple. It's C. Intel Corporation. Or D. IBM Corporation. It's B. Intel Corporation. It's B. Intel Corporation. It's B. Apple. It's B. Apple. Next question 276. Which of the following is a product of Apple company? Which of the following is a product of Apple company? A. MacBook and MacBook Pro. B. iPod and iPad. C. Both A and B. And D. None of these. It's C. Both A and B. It's C. Both A and B. Next, question 277. What was the initial name of Apple Inc? What was the initial name of Apple Inc? A. Apple Corporation. B. Apple Computer Inc. C. Apple IT Solutions. Or D. Apple Mac Inc. It's B. Apple Computers Inc. It's B. Apple Computers Inc. Next question 278. Apple is dash multinational technology company. Apple is dash multinational technology company. A. American multinational technology company. B. British multinational technology company. C. Swiss multinational technology company. Or D. Japanese multinational technology company. It's A. American multinational technology company. American multinational technology company. Next question, question 279. Next question, question 279. Apple was found by A. Steve Jobs, B. Steve Wozniak, C. Ronald Wayne, or D. all of these. Apple was found by A. Steve Jobs, B. Steve Wozniak, C. Ronald Wayne, or D. all of these. It's D. all of these. It's D. all of these. Next question, question 280. Apple was founded to A. Develop and sell personal computers. B. Develop and sell softwares. C. Research the developments in electronics. Or D. focus on consumer electronics. Apple was founded to A. Develop and sell personal computers. Develop and sell personal computers. Next question, question 281. Which of the following is the brand name of phones manufactured by Apple? Which of the following is the brand name of phones manufactured by Apple? A. iPhone 7, B. iPhone 6s, C. iPhone SE, or D. All of the above? It's D. All of the above. It's D. All of the above. Next question 282. Next question 282. Dash and Dash are the world's largest and second largest mobile phone manufacturers by volume. Dash and Dash are the world's largest and second largest mobile phone manufacturers by volume. A. Samsung, Apple, B. Apple, Samsung, C. Nokia, Apple, or D. Samsung, Nokia. It's A. Samsung and Apple. Samsung and Apple are the world's largest and second largest mobile phone manufacturers by volume. Question 283. Dash is the world's largest information technology company by revenue. Dash is the world's largest information technology company by revenue. A. Apple, B. Samsung, C. HP, or D. Sony. It's A. Apple. It's A. Apple. Apple is the world's largest technology company by total assets. By total assets. Next question based on Walmart. Next question based on Walmart. Question 258. Which company is ranked first on Fortune 500 companies list 2018? Which company is ranked first on Fortune 500 companies list 2018? A. Nestle, B. Walmart, C. IBM Corporation, or D. Reliance Industries Limited, RIL. Which company is ranked first on Fortune 500 companies list 2018? It's B. Walmart. It's B. Walmart. Next question 286. Where are the headquarters of Walmart? Where are the headquarters of Walmart? A. Arkansas, US, B. California, US, C. New York, US, D. None of these. It's A. Arkansas, US. It's A. Arkansas, US. Next question. Question 287. Who was the founder of Walmart? Who was the founder of Walmart? A. Sam Walton. B. Brett Biggs. C. Greg Pinnear. Or D. Luca Maestri. Who was the founder of Walmart? A. Sam Watson. B. Brett Biggs. C. Greg Pinnear. Or D. Luca Maestri. It's A. Sam Watson. It's A. Sam Watson. Next question 288. Next question, question 288. Walmart is dash production. Walmart is dash production. A. Technology. B. Financing. C. Food. Or D. Retailing. Walmart is retailing production. It's D. Retailing production. Next question. Next question. Walmart's slogan is A. Happy life, good food. B. Better food, low cost. C. Good food, good life. Or D. Save money, live better. Walmart's slogan is A. Happy life, good food. B. Better food, low cost. C. Good food, good life. Or D. Save money, live better. It's D. Save money, live better. 289. Walmart's slogan is Save money, live better. Next question. Question 290. Dash is the Chief Financial Officer of Walmart. Dash is the Chief Financial Officer, CEO of Walmart. A. Mr. Greg Pinnear. B. Doug McMillon. C. Brett Biggs. Or D. None of these. Dash is the CFO of Walmart, Chief Financial Officer of Walmart. A. Greg Pinnear. B. Doug McMillon. C. Brett Biggs. Or D. None of these. It's C. Brett Biggs. It's C. Brett Biggs. Next question. Question 291. Walmart opened its first store in Amritsar in dash. Walmart opened its first store in Amritsar, Punjab in dash. In which year? A. 2007. B. 2008. C. 2009. or D. 2010? It's C. 2009. It's C. 2009. Amritsar, Punjab, 2009. Next question, 292. Dash is the president of Walmart India. Dash is the president of Walmart India. A. Mr. Brett Biggs. B. Krish Iyer. C. Dog Macmillan. Or D. None of these. Dash is the president of Walmart India. A. Brett Biggs. B. Krish Iyer. C. Dog Macmillan. Or D. None of these. It's B. Krish Iyer. It's B. Krish Iyer. Next question, 293. Next question, 293. Mr. Krish Iyer is dash of Walmart India. Mr. Krish Iyer is dash of Walmart India. A. President. B. CEO. C. Both A and B. That is both President and CEO. Or D. None of the above. Mr. Krish Iyer is dash of Walmart India. It's C. Both A and B is CEO and President. CEO and President of Walmart India, Mr. Krish Iyer. Next question, question 294. Walmart is dash multinational retailing corporation that opened a chain of hypermarkets, departmental stores, and grocery stores and online stores. Walmart is dash multinational retailing corporation that opened a chain of hyperstores, departmental stores, grocery stores, and online store. A. American multinational. A. American multinational retailing corporation. B. British multinational retailing corporation. C. Swiss multinational retailing corporation. Or D. None of these. It's A. American. It's A. American. Walmart is American multinational retailing corporation that opened a chain of hypermarkets, departmental store, grocery stores, and online stores. I believe you understood. I believe you understood till here. We are stopping here. We are stopping here. Thank you. Thank you.